Cincinnati clearance, Skyhawk 2386 Victor on the ground, India 69 over.
November 93530 Cincinnati approach, was that you checking in?
It was November 2386 Victor at India 69, IFR John Toon.
November 2386 Victor, Cincinnati clearance, standby.
86 Victor, roger.
November 2386 Victor, Cincinnati clearance, ready to copy.
Roger.
Number 2386 Victor, hold for release, cleared to Juliet Whiskey November Airport, as filed. Maintain 3,000, expect 8,010 minutes after departure. Departure frequency 121.0, walk 4031.
2386 Victor, clear to John 2 and hold for release. As filed, 3,000, 8,000 after 10 minutes, 121.0, squawk 4031. We're planning a departure runway 22. We'll be ready in about 3 minutes.
Number 2386 Victor, roger. Readback is correct, and let me know when you're number 1 at the runway.
A6 Victor. And Cincinnati clearance Cessna A6 Victor, looks like we'll be number 1 in about 1 minute.
Runway heading for runway 22. Clearance void if not off in 5 minutes. If not off in 5 minutes, advise on this intention. Correction on this frequency, intention is no later than 7 minutes.
Roger, 2386 Victor, we'll notify you in 5 minutes.
Number 86 Victor, change to advisory frequency approved.
A6 Victor. Paramount County Traffic Skyhawk 2386 Victor, we'll be departing runway 22, flying runway heading IFR Claremont. And we're hauling ass. It's now 40 knots. 50 knots. And 55, rotate. Tap the brakes.
Climate County 7586 here, turning left crosswind runway 22.
Good morning, Cincinnati departure Skyhawk 2386 Victor, 2,000 feet climbing 3,000.
Skyhawk 2386 Victor, Cincinnati departure, Cincinnati altimeter 3003, ident.
3003.
Cincinnati approach, Bonanza 66896.
Number 2386 Victor, radar contact, 3 miles southwest of Claremont County Airport, climb and maintain 5,000.
5,000, 86 Victor.
Number 2386 Victor, contact Cincinnati departure 128.7.
Cincinnati, 128.7, 86 Victor.
Another faster mover aircraft approaching from the south, type unknown, altitude indicates 3,500. We'll go behind him.
Sounds good, 86 Victor.
Hello, Nashville approach, 725, Echo Mike.
88 Lima.
Yeah, what is that there? 140 knots. Oop. Might have to slow us down a little bit here because of the bumps.
King Air 1 Charlie Alpha, speed 170 knots or less for sequencing.
170 or less, we're 175 right now, so we'll back it down, 1 Charlie.
Okay, how about King Air 1 Charlie Alpha, make it heading, or Krishna, speed 165.
165, that's a 10 knot decrease, we'll do it, so 1 Charlie.
Appreciate it. Turn 2386 Victor, turn left heading 110, out of the turn, the traffic you're following will be in your about 11 o'clock and 2.5 miles northeastbound on the approach, it appears.
Okay, we'll look out the Brad traffic and heading of 11086 Victor.
This 1889, connect with the center, 133, 0.85.
3385, Southwest 1889. Nashville Center, 316 Hotel Juliet, can I head on course now?
No traffic in sight yet, but he's going into the runway. No, he's not going into the runway, he's just flying by. Alright, now slow us down a little bit more here.
Departure Premier 286, Echo Bravo's with you, 1.5, climbing 3,000 on the runway heading.
Premier 286 Echo Bravo, Nashville, radar contact, calling maintain 15,000.
I'm now 15,000, 286 Echo Bravo.
Number 2386 Victor, you're 4 miles from Wozower. Turn left heading 050, maintain 3,000 to establish. Cleared RNAV, runway 2.
Left 050, 3000, cleared RNAV 286 Victor.
Number 286 Echo Bravo, radar contact to north of the John Tune Airport, altimeter 2998.
2998 Echo Bravo.
Number 681 Charlie Alpha, just to maintain 3,000.
Down to 341 Charlie Alpha. Nashville Center 316 Hotel Juliet requesting on-course heading and cancel VFR.
Number 316 Hotel Juliet, say again the last.
Requesting on-course heading and cancel flight following.
Okay, 316 Hotel Juliet, proceed to John Tune. Radar services are terminated. Contact John Tune Tower 1945. They are quite busy this afternoon.
11945, you say?
Yeah, 1945 for John Tune Tower. Turn 286 Echo Bravo, turn left heading 230.
Left turn heading 230, 286 Echo Bravo.
Number 2386 Victor, radar services are terminated. Contact John Tune Tower 1945. Preceding traffic's about 4 miles ahead of you.
Afternoon approach, Air 27 900,000 with Victor.
Air 27 Nashville approach, roger, expect visual approach, runway 2 center.
Visual 2 center, Air 27.
Nashville approach 86 Victor, can we contact Nashville Tower?
John Tune Tower.
Sorry, who?
Nashville approach Skyhawk 86 Victor, request contact to John Tune Tower.
Yeah, John Tune Tower on 119.45.
1945, thank you for your help, 86 Victor.
Have a good one.
John Tune Tower, Skyhawk 2386 Victor, RNAV, runway 2 with information whiskey.
Cessna 2386 Victor, John Tune Tower, port a 3 mile final, runway 2.
3 mile final, runway 286 Victor.
3 mile final,
Cessna
runway
86 Victor, have you
02.
in sight, runway 2, clear to land.
Clear to land, and we're 3 miles, 86 Victor.
John Tune 316 Hotel Juliet, 4 miles out to the east, northeast. Going to enter 45 downwind, runway 2.
Number 6 Hotel Juliet, roger, reported midfield right downwind.
Thanks for saying that. They usually do hand us off pretty.
45585, your delays with departure.
I thought he did, and I didn't hear anything, so then I...
88 Lima, turn right when able, contact ground when you're off.
Turn right when able, contact ground when we're off, 8288 Lima.
Number 6 Hotel Juliet, discard the port, I have you in sight. Traffic you're following is a Cessna 172 on about a 2 mile final. When able, port traffic in sight.
I started getting nervous when we started passing Hokaga. I was like, wait, I thought he... 316 Hotel Juliet, looking for traffic.
Flaps 10 coming in.
And 316 Hotel Juliet's entering the right downwind, runway 2.
Number 6 Hotel Juliet, roger, traffic you're following on about a 1 mile final now.
I've got that traffic over.
Number 6 Hotel Juliet, traffic following short final.
316 Hotel Juliet, have traffic in sight coming in behind him.
Number 6 Hotel Juliet, runway 2, number 2, clear to land.
Runway 2 clear to land, 316 Hotel Juliet.
Tune Tower, Beach 681 Charlie Alpha's with you on that extended left base.
King 861 Charlie Alpha, John Tune Tower, report a 3 mile final, runway 2.
Port a 3 mile final, runway 2, 1 Charlie Alpha.
And John Tune 316 Hotel Juliet, turn base, runway 2.
Roger.
178 Echo Papa, East High Grass, ready for takeoff.
Helicopter 8 Echo Papa, right close traffic approved.
Right close traffic approved, 8 Echo Papa.
King Air 1 Charlie Alpha, traffic you're following is a Cirrus, coming off about a 1.5 mile right base, joining final now.
Roger, look for the traffic, 1 Charlie Alpha.
Cessna
86 Victor, stable, turn right next taxiway, contact ground point 7 when you're off.
Ground point 7 right, Alpha 3, 86 Victor.
And John 10, 316 Hotel Juliet's on final, short final, runway 2.
6 Hotel Juliet, have you in sight, runway 2, clear to land. And King Air 1 Charlie Alpha, if able, fly slow as practical for 1 departure prior to arrival.
Roger, slow as practical, 1 Charlie Alpha. Thank you, Batch.
Runway 4 Alpha, runway 2, peg 42.
Number 678 Alpha Mike, John Tune Tower. You can taxi along Romeo 2, hold short, taxiway Alpha, expect to be number 5 for departure.
Alright, Romeo 2, we'll hold short number 5 at Alpha Mike, runway 2.
Tune ground, Skyhawk 2386 Victor is Alpha 3, taxi contour. Always got his thrust reverser on. See that?
Yeah, I see that.
Awesome.
November 8 Alpha Mike, you're going to be number 3 now behind the Cessna traffic before the Gulfstream. The Gulfstream and the Cessna are both IFRs, so there's already going to be a delay since you're VFR.
Then spin around. Tail okay?
Yep. Looks good.
Ooh, a nice Cirrus coming in.